Hi everyone, it's Sue. Now you might have remembered a few months ago I told you about a great crafting company called BeebeeCraft. It has an amazing YouTube program for small YouTubers just like us. All you need to have is 100 subscribers. Apply to their program, which I will put links down below, and you can receive free crafting projects delivered right to your door. How awesome is that? Especially during the pandemic. All you need to do for them to receive your products is do 3 videos for them. One is an unboxing where you show off all the amazing products that you received, and 2 more using those amazing supplies. Sounds pretty fun, sounds pretty easy. Again, I will put all the information in the description box below, so please check it out. Well, I did my 3 videos and they actually approached me to do more free stuff. Can't turn that down. So let's get started. So this is actually my 3rd shipment of free BeebeeCraft materials, and this one took about 6 weeks to come, but still pretty exciting once I did the unboxing. So the first item in my goodie box was the BeebeeCraft unfinished wood beads. Natural wooden loose beads, spacer beads, lead-free, round, 12mm hole, 2.5mm, and there's 50 pieces in a box. So these beads are natural in color and they're sanded smooth and ready to be finished, or you can just leave them natural. These unfinished wood spacer beads can be painted, stained, or embellished as you want. Make your own personal wood beads for decoration or craft. So as you know, I love farmhouse decor, and wooden beads are an integral part of that. But these beads were a little bit smaller than I had anticipated, although they did give me the size when I ordered them. But they came in this really cute little plastic container that you could reuse, so I thought that was kind of a neat idea. But I definitely could use these to make garlands or adorn other farmhouse DIYs. Pretty cool. And the price for these was $7.29 US. But again, free for me. So the second item in my goodie box was this 4x7" metal journal stencil. It had floral vines, cactus, small leaves, and it was for wood carving, drawing, or wood burning, and you could also use it for engraving or scrapbooking project. And I haven't really tried wood burning yet, but I'd love to try it. But I thought maybe I could use it for some stencils on some cards or some other DIY projects. And it had this blue film on it just to protect it from scratches, which I thought was pretty good. It was a little tricky to get off at first, but once I did, the lovely metal stencil that would be definitely reusable time and time again was protected well underneath. And the listed price for this metal stencil was $5.99 US. Pretty good deal. And last but not least were these bottle-shaped unfinished wood slices that were laser-cut wood shapes that look like mason jars. And they were for painting Christmas ornaments or any other kind of home decor that you'd like. Now, there was 5 in the package for $16.69 US, which was a little pricey considering they're 2 millimeters thick, and you could probably get these at the Dollar Tree. But I thought that they were good quality wood, and they were wood on both sides, unlike the Dollar Tree ones, which usually have some kind of design that you have to either rip off or cover up. So I thought, I could definitely use these with my wooden beads and maybe even my stencil. And you can also put fabric on them, ribbons on them, any kind of thing at all. So I thought I got all of this stuff for free from my BeebeeCraft YouTube program. And again, I will put links below so that you can sign up and get yourself some free products. Now, stay tuned next week to see what I actually make with all of these amazing BeebeeCraft supplies.